Hi, this video is for those who are joining us on our trip to Ireland but were not able to join us for the informational meeting. In this video, we will very quickly go over an introduction, our itinerary, what all is included in the trip, our travel partner EF Tours, the safety and support that comes along with them, and the price and how to enroll. My name is Paula Finley. I am a math teacher at Wenatchee High School. This is my 8th year with the district, and I am so excited to take this trip. To me, travel is about more than the landscapes and the pretty architecture and all of that. It's really about the people that you get to meet, the people from different cultures and worldviews, and just challenging and changing the way that you see and interact with the world. EF Tours is a well-established company. I have gone on a trip with them in the past. Another teacher in our district has led tours with them for several years now. When I was in Ireland this past summer, there were EF backpacks and EF shirts and EF travel tags everywhere. They are a well-established company in Ireland. It is a STEM experience, which means parents, it means that it will be educational. The students will be learning. Students, it doesn't feel like learning. Experiential learning means you're not sitting there taking notes. It means you're out there seeing things, experiencing things, doing things. So it's educational, but it doesn't feel educational. So our trip is called Agriculture in Ireland. We'll be in Dublin for 3 nights, Kilkenny for 3 nights, visit the Cliffs of Moher, and then go to Galway for 2 nights before going back to Dublin to fly home. This is a very quick breakdown. If you would like to read all of the little details, please feel free to pause the video and check all of those awesome experiences out. I'm especially excited for the Irish folklore evening. Also excited for the visiting a working potato farm in Kilkenny. It's Irish potatoes, right? Pretty exciting. We'll also get to participate in a hands-on activity at a shellfish or seaweed farm. I did not know that there was a seaweed farm, so I'm pretty excited for that one as well. So this is an Agriculture in Ireland trip. Wenatchee is an agricultural community. So this is an opportunity to see what that agriculture looks like in other countries. You know, Ireland doesn't have a lot of fruit trees. It has sheep and wool and cheese and potatoes. So just to see the differences between agriculture here and agriculture there. We will also be doing like visiting city things, going to St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin, having some time to explore the cities, and getting to actually view that incredible landscape. We'll be visiting the Cliffs of Moher, which are just spectacular. And we will get to try some food. It will involve a fair amount of potatoes, but there are plenty of other things to choose from. Okay, so the travel dates. Most likely we will be going June 26th to July 5th. The tour company does ask us to kind of have some flexibility on both ends, just in case things don't line up the way that we hope for them to. Most likely, though, we will be going June 26th to July 5th. In our trip, everything that is included is a round-trip airfare, the hotels, regional-style meals for breakfast and dinner, the tour director who will be with us 24/7, transportation including a motor coach, local guides, sightseeing, guided sightseeing, and free time, and then hands-on experiential learning. What you are responsible for is your passport. If you are interested in going, I would recommend beginning to apply for that now. It can take a while. Baggage fees, most likely I will encourage everyone to just take a carry-on bag, but if you choose to have a check bag, then you will need to pay for the check bag fees. Tips for the local guides and the bus drivers, and we would talk about that closer to time. and then snacks and some meals. So usually lunches on your own will be in a city and you'll have some time to explore. And while you're exploring, you can check out some local restaurants and get your lunch. Our travel partner is EF Tours. They are an accredited school, so you can actually get high school credit or college credit through them. You do have to do a little bit of a project, but it is an option. So our tour consultant is McKenna Scott. She is the one that I have been working with and communicating with. She is fantastic. Our tour director is the person who is with us while we are on tour. They are there with us 24/7. They stay at the hotel with us. They're on the bus with us. They travel with us. They are our go-to person when we are in the country. The traveler support team, so they are the ones that you would reach out to if you're having any kind of customer service issues, if you need to make dietary plans, if you need to have or arrange different rooming situations. I've worked with them in the past. I chose to have my own room on the past trip, and they're very kind and very easy to work with. And then the group leader is me, and I am your point of contact here in Wenatchee. And then when you're on the trip, I will be the chaperone, or the main chaperone, kind of being the go-between between the tour group and the tour director. With EF Tours, the Peace of Mind program, this is post-COVID, so this program provides our group with flexibility to change our trip during unseen times and for unforeseen circumstances. So when COVID happened, the trip that I went on this past summer was supposed to have happened in April of 2020, but COVID, and then it got postponed to July of 2021, but COVID. So then we finally ended up going in July of 2022, and EF Tours went out of their way to continue working with us to rearrange schedules and keep the price point the same, even though we were going in the summer instead of in spring break. For those who were not able to go, they worked with them on cancellations and refunds. So they are very eager and able to work with us if things were to go awry. The global travel protection is travel insurance, and it is included. If you want additional travel insurance, it is $295. I would recommend it just in case things go badly, but it's always good to have. And that means that you can cancel for any reason up to 24 hours before departure and get a full refund minus the $295. And then for the next 14 days, you can enroll now and cancel for any reason and get a 100% full refund. So we always, like to acknowledge that this does cost a lot of money. There are scholarships available. If you are interested in the scholarship, you have to make a video. There is more information about that at the www.eftours.com/global-citizen. You can check that out. And then the fundraising page, so if you want to ask your grandparents and aunts and uncles and friends for, to contribute to this for your birthdays and Christmas and things like that, you can set up a fundraising page through EF where they can donate directly to the page, and it will go into your account. Everything that we get everything that we talked about in our itinerary. You get the protection that comes with EF Tours. You get the safety and support of having a company that is physically in the country and able to be there and provide us with any support that we need. And then the personalized learning of just having the experience of one-on-one, plus if you choose to pursue those credits, that is available. Okay. So now the cost. I do acknowledge that it can seem pricey. However, you can pay in monthly installments. When I went on my past trip, I chose to pay in monthly installments. I actually did the math on this. If a student were to get a minimum wage job and only work 10 hours a week, they could actually earn the full amount in 8.5 months, and the trip is in 9 months. So I'm just saying, parents, you are absolutely welcome to join us. We would love to have you. If you enroll before September 30th, you do get $100 off. Okay. These are the full prices with the discount. These are the full prices, excuse me. These are the full prices with the discount, and these are the full prices without the discount. So if you wait until after September 30th. And then if you are interested in enrolling, we do have a limited number of spots available. I will say take that 10 with a grain of salt. We can take 11. It's a flexible 10. But you can start enrolling now if you are interested. You can use that QR code or the enrollment page, EFTours.com/2505560 PM. You can use that to enroll. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at Fendley, FENDLEY.P@wenatcheeschools.org, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.